Baby, I want this. I want this to last forever.
Hey friend, hey, so it's very rare that I do a voiceover, but I figure, hey, why not? I'm going in with the Touch and Soul No Poreblem Primer, why can't I speak English? And I love this stuff. It gets me nice and matte. Then going in with the Morphe, what is this? Filter Effect Foundation? Whoa, Storm. By Shayla, it's 25 Rich. And then going in with Black Opal, it's warm, I think, brown warm or something. You'll see it in the description box below, sis. But what y'all been up to since I'm just here talking? It's so weird doing a voiceover. Why am I always so awkward? If you know, you know. Anyway, just contouring all the places I want to, add a bit of shadows. This hair kept on getting in my face, y'all. If y'all watched the video of me trying to lay this lace front, then y'all know we had serious problem. And the hair just would not leave me alone. I'm using my same foundation brush to go ahead and blend that up on the cheekbones and then blend it in everywhere else. It was getting a little bit dark, but I'm going to make it work. I'm going to make it do what it do, baby. I have to cough, but I hope I hold it in because a cough would be awkward. But yeah, we're still just blending. I wanted to show y'all like the whole process versus like bits and pieces of it. Not that bits and pieces isn't enough, but I just wanted to give y'all the full shebang. Next, we're going to go ahead and blend. We're still blending the nose. Jeez, we're blending the nose with this Black Opal. Lots of blending, lots and lots of blending, okay? I can go ahead and say, I know the concealer that I have on is the Juvia's Place in the shade 16. And before you ask, yes, I forgot to put the little bit on the side, but you see I went ahead and fixed that. I like to use a small brush now to blend out my concealer. It changes a lot. But once I do this, I am going to have to go back in and use a beauty blender just because I felt like it wasn't as seamless as I wanted it to be. Not a beauty blender, a beauty sponge, because sis, I'm not paying $20 for a beauty blender. So I get my sponges off of Amazon, Real Techniques. Yeah. Oh, I didn't show the sponge. Did I show it? Anyway, this is the Maybelline Cheek Heat, I believe. Yes, I'm pretty sure, but check the description boxes. And I'm just going ahead and putting this everywhere. I realized I put too much. I still have some on my brush, so I'm going to go ahead and add some more here. Boom, boom.
At first we started out real cool, taking me places I ain't never. And now you're getting, ain't doing those things you did no more. You're slowly making me, your money should be handling.
Come on, what? Sorry, I had to get a dance break in. I'm still vibing out while we do the eyes. We use the Nikki Tutorials Beauty Bay collab palette, and I love this. I love every shade, but for today, we're just going neutral using the dark brown and then the lighter brown that she has in there. Boom, boom, boom. Make sure that joint is blended. You want to go back and forth with the colors till you get a seamless blend. And I'm still jamming out, okay? Y'all going to see my lips moving because the music is musicking, okay? Next, we're going to go in and use the NYX Glitter Glue Primer. NYX Shimmer Primer. Boom, Shimmer Primer. Going to put that all over the lid. And we're going to use that bright pink that's in the palette. I really love this. It's like a duochrome. It switches between gold and pink. Super, super duper pretty, but I wanted it to be less of a cut crease, so you guys are gonna see me go in with the brown again to like blend the corners, make it a little bit softer, because I definitely was going for like a soft type of easy makeup look today, not my normal dramatic type of stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Still vibing out. It's a vibe and a mood in a moment. Doing the other side, sis. Yes, yes, yes. Sing it, girl. Get your groove on. Going in with the Laura Mercier right here. Translucent Honey. This is my joint. I was trying out the one size, but definitely had to go back to the Laura Mercier just because, okay, she gives the girls what she needs. Next, I'm going to go ahead and go down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, just setting everywhere that needs to be set, like in a highlight type of situation. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on my Duo Lash Glue. Yes, I put it on my lid and not on the band because I reuse my lashes and I don't need them gunked up with glue, okay? I don't really need my real lashes because I wear fake ones anyway. Going in with the bronzer here, just, in the places that I contoured, giving myself a little bit of sun kiss. Okay, now right now I'm looking real patchy. It's giving cakey. Next, going in with the Matte Velvet Skin from Makeup Forever in the shade Y445, I believe. and just dusting away that powder and setting the rest of my face. Y'all, it's summertime, so it's very important to put that powder on top of that liquid, girl, so you don't be melting all over the place. These are some falsies that I got off of Amazon. Check out my Amazon storefront. They are definitely linked on there. Putting some mascara on that joint to make it blend. Why do I keep saying joint like I'm from like the New York or something when I'm definitely a Cali girl? The Morphe Luminous setting spray. Yes, I love this stuff in the summer because I want it to glow. Summer to me is about glowy makeup because you're going to sweat, so you might as well make it match the theme. And now I'm fanning my face. Next up is eyebrows, and as you all know, I do have microblading, so it's not that big of a thing for me. I just go in and make them a bit darker, and the darkness is going to depend on how my makeup is that day, but it's not that much. I'm using the ABH pomade in Ebony, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, another dance break because I like to dance. The ColourPop BFF number 3 to line the lips, and then the Alamar lip gloss, I believe it's from Alamar. I don't remember the name of it though, y'all. I'll try to put it down below in the comments. But yeah, ooh, look at that.
You want to talk shit? You want to run your mouth? You want some gangsters for your motherfucking house? You want to talk shit? You want to run your mouth? You want some gangsters for your motherfucking house?
Baby, I want this to last forever. Baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone like you. Oh, I've been waiting my whole life to find someone